Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Khalid Mahmud, your online trainer. In today's video, we will create AutoCAD exercise 39 step by step. Whether you are a beginner or improving your skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. This tutorial will help you understand how to draw precise shapes, angles and circles in AutoCAD. Stay with me till the end and don't forget to download the PDF from the description box. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing. So open your AutoCAD and create a new drawing as a file. Set the unit to millimeter. Just type UNITS units, press enter. Choose as a millimeter. Press OK. Turn on grid using F7 and snap mode using F9 for better accuracy. Now activate ortho mode using F8 to ensure straight line. This one is just manually you can activate from here. Click. Now step 2. Adding the circular features. As you see in this diagram, this one is a circular features we need to add. So create center hole using C, enter. Click on specific point, D for diameter, 10, enter. Now next, create right side large circle. So use C for circle. Click on same center point using D for diameter, 48, enter. Now select this circle. Use M for move, click on specific point and right side it will be 32, press enter. Now create this inner circle, this second circle, diameter will be 24, this circle we are going to create two times, this one and this one. So use C for circle, click on the center point, D for diameter, put a value as a 24, press enter. Now select this circle, use MI for mirror, click on this center point and click on upside and press as a no. Now next we need to create left half circle. So we just created a full circle, we need to create half circle. So create a line, just L for line. Click on this coordinate point to this coordinate point. Now using L for line, click on the center point. Now press tab and put a value of angle as a 10. So need to add 10 plus 90. So total 100. So just press 100, press enter. Now trim unwanted parts. TR double enter. Trim this one and also this one. Okay, now TR double enter this one. Now need to add a center line from here to here and also this one. So use L for line for this one from here to here. Also for this one upside from here to here. Select both this line. Go to properties, change a line type as a center and color will be red. Now step 3, drawing the base shape. So we are going to create this base shape. So using line command, L for line, click from here, 72, press enter. Same as upside, just L for line, click here as a 32, press enter. Now step 4, creating the angle side. As you see in this diagram, this one is the angle side. So just use L for line, click here as an angle using line distance it will be 56. Using tab an angle will be 102, press enter. Now need to create this angle. Now create this angle. So use L for line, click here. Distance of lines I don't know. So use just tab command and put an angle as a 160. Press enter. Now use L for line. Click here, create a straight line. Now trim unwanted part. Trim this one, also this one, and also this one. Select all your drawing except this center line. Go to properties and change our line thickness as a 0.30. Now need to create one more line from here to upside. Need to match using MA for match. Select this one to this one. Now step 5. Adding the dimension. A DDI for dimension diameter command. Click here, this one and also this one. Also this one. Now need to check line distance using DLI for dimension linear command from click here to here. And also for this one from here to here. Also from here to here. Now need to create these ones from here to here. And also need to check this angle using DAN for dimension angular command. Click this one to this one and put a angle here as a 10. Also you need to check DAN for dimension angular command from here to here. Just type this one. Also DAN for dimension angular command for this angle. So now step 6. Final touch and exporting the drawing. So organize layer very properly for better visibility. Set line thickness for better presentation. Check every dimension very properly. Every angle and line thickness of this drawing. Check center line of your drawing is very properly. So need to add here one more center line from here to here. Need to match from here to this one. Okay. Now save your drawing and export drawing as a PDF for your reference. Great job. You have successfully complete exercise 39 in AutoCAD. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to follow. If you found this helpful, make sure like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorial. If you want to support my channel, join the channel to support us and get exclusive content. Download the PDF from the link in the description box. Don't forget. And comment below if you have any doubt, any suggestion, any question for future exercise. Hit the bell icon to never miss the update. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Tata. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining.